Welcome to the next episode of iPhone repairs. Today we will present the final solution to the problem with the faulty touch in iPhone 6 Plus. The first step is diagnosis. When do you know the problem is on the motherboard? A common symptom is a thin band at the top of the screen. Another symptom is the touch panel, which once works properly and after a while begins to freak out. Let's go to repair. We start by removing the motherboard. Then cover the components around the chip to prevent damage. We used the flags and set the hot air station to 345 degrees and desolder the chip. Now you need to clean the pads from the tin and make a jumper as shown. We use a thin wire for this and we secure it with UV solder mask. Sometimes it happens that some pads fall off after cleaning. If the pads are marked in red, you don't have to worry, because without them the chip will work properly. To solder a new IC, we use flags and set the temperature about 333 degrees. After all operations, we check if everything works properly. Thank you for your attention. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel, where there will be more guides with electronics repairs. Best regards.